Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for January. This is going to be the Walkabout cam, where we take a camera and a selfie stick and go around and show you what's out there at the car show, and even do some 360 degree views of some of the cars, selected cars. This one we almost didn't make. We almost didn't, we went over there, we showed up. There's only 4 or 5 cars that showed up with us, and we was just sitting there thinking, oh boy, we may not have an event today. We were just about to leave, that close to leaving, and a whole bunch showed up all at once. So we got busy and got to doing the car show, taking the pictures, doing the video and everything. So we got it in, despite the weather looking kind of, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you every day of the week. I'm going to go ahead and shut up. We're going to take you out to the car show. Let's rev it up for the hot rod.
I've used it like 4 times.
Got him!
Oh, you're saying that if you're doing long. I mean, I see you take good pictures.
Beautiful car. Thank you for the car.
It doesn't matter. They can survive that.
We'll see how it goes. But for now,
kind of going down, kind of bouncing here, no problem, turn around. And,
I ended up getting, I pulled in the goat. I was just like that.
I've used it like 4 times.
Got him!
Oh, you saying that if you're doing lawn.
I mean, I see you take the picture.
It doesn't matter. They can survive that.
Let's see how it goes. But for now,
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for January. Sorry. It was a great event. We really enjoyed it. We had to run it solo, which was okay because it's okay that I could do that one on my own. Because it was on Sunday. I only seem to have help on Saturdays. But it was really a good event. Like I said in the intro, we were very close to leaving early, before it even got started. Because, for whatever reason, nobody showed up when it started, but they showed up 15-20 minutes after it started. So, once that happened, we were very close to leaving. But once it happened, we got to business and got to working and doing, and we got all our video and pictures done. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you every day of the week. It's very important to make sure you're subscribed. If you're already a subscriber, double check, because YouTube likes to unsubscribe people. We're at 334 subscribers. We're trying to get to that 500 subscriber goal to get our monetization, to get them YouTube ad dollars to start paying for stuff. That'll enable us to go further out, go to better shows. Sorry. That is the goal, to go to more shows, to go to bigger shows, to go further out from the immediate Jacksonville area. We currently range from Savannah to Daytona, and as far out as, we'll say Valdosta, Georgia. We haven't been out that far west much, but we do try to go out further and go to new shows. So, that would help. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever it may be. It's kind of up in the air right now because of weather. But we'll see you guys out at whatever the next one may be.